It's all about intermittent fasting, maybe a little differently than what you normally do. Welcome. It is day 79 of our 90-day challenge with me, Nina, your well-being coach, here to inspire, motivate, and uplift you so that you take action to improve your overall health. And today on our challenge, we're chatting about intermittent fasting and the benefits of intermittent fasting. Now, because I come from an Ayurvedic background, Ayurvedic lifestyle coaching background, I know that intermittent fasting can be appropriate differently depending on your dosha, depending if you're more Vata, more Pitta, or more Kapha. And if you're more Vata, again, extended fasting hours probably aren't going to work as well for you as rhythmic eating does. Pitta, you can increase your fasting hours a little bit more and make sure that you really have strong, nutritious meals in there because of your fire element. You break down things very quickly. And the Kappas, you don't want to fast, but you guys probably have the capacity to fast for the longest amount of time than any of the other doshas. So, what does this mean for you? Why is this important? First of all, we all need to at least work towards a 14-10. What is that? Well, a 14-10 is a 14-hour fasting window, and it gives you a 10-hour eating kind of like window period. That means that the last time you take in a calorie at night, the last time you have a cup of tea, the last time you have that little cookie, that is the end hour. So you don't want to you want to make sure that you're not having something late at 7, 8, 9 o'clock at night, because if you have to add 14 hours to that, the next time you can take in a calorie is going to be a lot later in the morning than you're probably doing. And so if you manage to make sure that you have your last calorie like around 6, 7 o'clock at night and not later than that, that means if you add 14 hours to that, that means you're probably breaking your fast around, say, 8, 9 o'clock, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. And that is really, really doable. That's doable for any dosha. Now, you might not be doing that right now. And so you want to work your way slowly, slowly. You don't need to kind of like go to cold turkey and do it right away, but maybe 15 minutes cut off here, add on 15 minutes there, see what you can wiggle around and move around and see if you can move to that 14 hours. That 14 hours is so important because that is actually when your body starts breaking down all the dysbiosis that is sitting there. And that is when that actually starts, the real digestion starts happening. So that is what I would like you to consider and work with today. Now, how is that helpful with the healthy habit that you have started to implement 90 days ago? Well, if you start extending your fasting hours, you are going to have more capacity, more energy to actually do what it is that the habit that you're meant to or want to be doing. That means you're not constantly going to be thinking of eating or snacking or grabbing something, but that you actually have your meals in place at the right time for you, your constitution, and your capability and ability to fast. So that is my suggestion for you. If you're keen to find out a little bit more, if you'd like to get into my seasonal reset, check the descriptions below and you can join us. You get lifetime access to that. That means you can start anytime. Plus, we come together 4 times a year where you get one-on-one coaching with me as well. So I look forward to catching you on the inside. Until then, remember to start building out those intermittent fasting hours if you haven't yet. Take care. Till tomorrow. Bye.